Feeling bloated? Low on energy? Or just off? You might be overlooking a key to better health: your gut. In this video, we're revealing 10 powerful fermented foods that could transform your digestion, boost immunity, and leave you feeling renewed. Imagine the impact: more energy, better digestion, and a stronger immune system, just by adding these simple foods to your diet. Most people don't realize how connected gut health is to their overall wellness, and ignoring it could lead to long-term issues. But these 10 foods are scientifically proven to make a difference, and our number one pick, number 10 in the lineup, could be the hidden gem that makes the biggest impact. So, if you're ready to improve your gut health and feel the difference, stay tuned to discover these foods and how they can start transforming your life today. Stick around because I'll be sharing a super easy, step-by-step process you can follow daily to keep your gut in top shape. It's packed with tips you won't want to miss. Let's kick things off with kimchi, a popular fermented food from Korea that's known to be a real gut health powerhouse. Packed with probiotics and vitamins, kimchi can strengthen immunity and digestion. Let's see why it's such a star for your gut. Kimchi is much more than a spicy side. It's a powerhouse of gut-boosting benefits. This traditional Korean dish is made by fermenting cabbage and other vegetables with spices, giving it a unique, tangy flavor. Kimchi is rich in beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus, which supports a healthy gut microbiome and strengthens immunity. It's also packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that protect cells from damage and help your body fight off infections. Studies even show that kimchi can reduce inflammation, which is key for overall gut health. Adding a little kimchi to your diet can provide your gut with the healthy bacteria it needs to thrive and help keep digestion smooth. Plus, it's a delicious way to add some spice to your meals. Up next is kefir, often called yogurt's supercharged cousin. This creamy drink has tons of probiotics to balance your gut, and it's gentle on those sensitive to lactose. Let's dive into why kefir deserves a spot in your diet. Kefir is a creamy, tangy drink that's a staple in many cultures, and it's a true star when it comes to gut health. What makes kefir unique is that it contains over 30 different strains of probiotics, more than most yogurts, which help balance the gut microbiome, improving digestion and boosting immunity. Kefir is also high in calcium and contains enzymes that help break down lactose, making it a great option for those with lactose sensitivity. The probiotics in kefir have been shown to reduce inflammation, support mental health, and even promote weight management by helping maintain a healthy gut. Whether you drink it plain or blend it into a smoothie, kefir can help you build a stronger, healthier gut over time. Our next food is a classic but powerful choice: sauerkraut. It's loaded with fiber and gut-boosting bacteria that can help improve digestion. Here's why sauerkraut is a simple yet effective addition to any gut health plan. Sauerkraut, or fermented cabbage, has been a gut health staple in many cultures for centuries. This tangy, crunchy food is made through a natural fermentation process that creates probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help balance the gut and improve digestion. Sauerkraut is high in fiber, helping keep the digestive system moving smoothly and reducing constipation. Plus, it's rich in vitamin C and K, both of which are crucial for immune function and cell health. The lactic acid produced during fermentation not only adds flavor, but also helps promote a healthy gut microbiome by encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria. If you're looking for a simple way to support your digestive health, sauerkraut is an affordable, tasty option that's easy to add to any meal. I'm going to drop this list here, but it's packed with details from age-specific probiotics to nutrients to vitamins you may be missing year by year, and foods that can help. Honestly, this could be a full series. Drop a comment if you'd like a deeper dive on gut health needs for your specific age, or a breakdown for every year in more detail. Now, let's talk kombucha, a fizzy tea that's become a gut health favorite. With its probiotics and detoxifying acids, kombucha is both refreshing and effective for your digestion. Let's see what makes it so popular. Kombucha is a fizzy, fermented tea that's been around for thousands of years, but it's recently gained popularity for its gut health benefits. This drink is rich in probiotics, which help replenish the good bacteria in your gut improving digestion and boosting immunity. Kombucha also contains organic acids like acetic acid, which can aid in detoxification and help balance the pH of your stomach. Plus, its slightly caffeinated nature provides a gentle energy boost without the jitters. Studies suggest that kombucha may support liver health and enhance digestion. With a wide range of flavors available, kombucha is a tasty and refreshing way to incorporate more gut-friendly probiotics into your routine. Do you prefer your kombucha plain, or do you go for the fruit flavors? What's your go-to choice? For something savory, we have miso, a traditional Japanese ingredient that's not only delicious but also a great source of probiotics and protein. Miso is a versatile way to boost gut health, so let's look at its benefits. Miso is a flavorful fermented soybean paste commonly used in Japanese cuisine, and it's packed with gut-boosting probiotics. The fermentation process used to make miso creates beneficial bacteria, which can improve digestion and balance the gut microbiome. Miso is also rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals like manganese and copper, which support various functions in the body, including immune health and energy production. Miso's high levels of probiotics can reduce bloating and improve digestion, making it a fantastic addition to soups, marinades, and even salad dressings. Adding miso to your diet is an easy way to support gut health while enjoying a rich, savory flavor. If you're looking for a heartier option, tempeh is a fantastic choice. It's full of protein and probiotics, making it ideal for both gut health and plant-based meals. Here's why tempeh should be on your list. Tempeh is another fermented soybean product, but unlike miso, it has a firm texture, making it a great plant-based protein source. Tempeh is rich in both probiotics and protein, which support gut health and make it a fantastic meat alternative. The fermentation process increases the bioavailability of nutrients in tempeh, allowing your body to absorb more minerals like calcium and iron. Additionally, the high fiber content of tempeh helps promote healthy digestion and regularity. Whether grilled, sautéed, or added to stir-fries, tempeh is a versatile and filling way to add gut-friendly nutrients to your diet. Are you a fan of tempeh? Let us know how you cook it. Natto is next, an acquired taste, but it's packed with gut-friendly fiber and vitamin K2 for bone health. This unique food might be just what your gut and bones need. Let's explore the benefits of natto. Natto, a traditional Japanese dish made from fermented soybeans, has a strong flavor and a sticky texture that may take some getting used to, but its health benefits are impressive. Natto is loaded with probiotics that support the gut, helping to improve digestion and promote a balanced microbiome. One standout nutrient in natto is vitamin K2, which plays a critical role in bone health by aiding in calcium absorption. Natto is also rich in fiber, which promotes regularity and helps keep the gut moving smoothly. Despite its unusual taste, natto is a nutrient-dense food that can be a great addition to your diet for both gut and bone health. Give it a try. It may just surprise you. For a tangy twist, let's talk about fermented pickles. Unlike vinegar brine ones, these pickles are loaded with probiotics that support digestion. Here's why choosing fermented pickles can benefit your gut. Fermented pickles are more than just a tasty snack. They're a great source of probiotics as long as you choose the right kind. Unlike regular vinegar brine pickles, naturally fermented pickles undergo a process that encourages the growth of beneficial bacteria. These probiotics support the gut by balancing the microbiome, which aids in digestion and can help reduce bloating. Fermented pickles are also low in calories and contain antioxidants from the cucumbers used to make them, which can protect your cells and support overall health. If you're looking to add a crunchy, probiotic-rich snack to your diet, reach for naturally fermented pickles. Have you tried naturally fermented pickles? How are they different from regular pickles in your experience? Yogurt is a classic, but not all yogurt is equal. Choose those with live cultures for the best probiotic boost. Greek yogurt is an excellent choice too, offering extra protein along with those live cultures. Let's look at the benefits. Yogurt is a well-known probiotic food, but it's important to choose the right type. Look for yogurt that's labeled with live, active cultures to ensure it contains beneficial bacteria for gut health. These probiotics help balance the gut microbiome and improve digestion. Greek yogurt is a top choice, as it's higher in protein, making it an ideal option for those who want added nutrition. The live cultures in yogurt can also support immune health, making it a powerful, nutritious snack. You can enjoy it on its own or add it to smoothies, parfaits, or breakfast bowls for an extra probiotic boost. Remember, not all yogurts are created equal, so check the label for live cultures. Our last powerhouse food is apple cider vinegar, an easy addition to many meals. With probiotics and acetic acid, ACV is great for digestion and balancing blood sugar. Let's see how a little ACV can make a big difference. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has gained popularity as a health tonic, and it can be particularly beneficial for gut health. When raw and unfiltered, ACV contains the mother, which is a collection of beneficial bacteria and enzymes. These probiotics can help support a balanced gut microbiome, while acetic acid and ACV aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Many people add a small dose of ACV to water in the morning to start their day off with a digestion boost. Just remember, ACV is acidic, so it's best to dilute it in water to protect your teeth and stomach. Incorporating a little ACV into your diet can provide a natural, gentle way to support your gut health and overall wellness. Do you have a way you like to drink apple cider vinegar? I've heard it can taste strong. Any tips? So, there you have it. 10 incredible fermented foods that can transform your gut health. From spicy kimchi to refreshing kombucha, each of these foods brings something unique to support your digestion and overall wellness. Which one are you most excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, I put together a daily gut health checklist just for you. It's got all the science-backed tips we've covered, laid out for each part of your day.
Thanks for sticking with me today. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit the like button and share it with someone who's also on their health journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on upcoming tips and strategies. Let's keep moving forward together. See you in the next one.